what is this? If you are new to my channel, my name is Ohemaa. Welcome. If you are a returning subscriber, hey, you guys. I actually came to show you a few products that I got from YouTube. So last week I was in LA attending a YouTube event, and I also ended up seeing my husband for our anniversary celebration. So I did an unboxing haul of all the products that I got from my event, and I decided to take one of the what is it called, advent calendars, and see if I can create a full face with it, especially being a dark skin girly. Let's see what the advent calendar is given when it comes to the deep tone girlies. Okay, so in today's video we are going to be taking a look at the big Revolve advent calendars to see whether or not we can achieve a full face with it and what these products will look like on dark skin girls. We want to know if these products are something that we can pick up and still get value out of it. Okay, because you know, in today's world most of these advent calendars are not geared towards us, so we want to make sure that before we buy it we see the products in there and what they can do. So if you want to see the Revolve advent calendars used on my skin tone and what it's gonna look like in the end, then keep on watching. Now, before we jump into anything, the advent calendar and whatever supporting products I used will be tagged in this video. So all you have to do is tap or click or check out that view products tag either here or there, and it will list all the products down below. I think these make like very good Christmas gifts. If you get like the 12 days, you can do like 12 days countdown before Christmas or 25 days countdown before Christmas. This is a 12 days of Revolve Beauty, and obviously it has 12 days of an advent calendar in here. It comes looking like a suitcase, but the handle, you can twist it and remove it. And this is 25 days of Revolve Beauty. It's the big mama of the bunch, okay? Okay, it has this much in there. This is a lot of products. As dark skin makeup lovers, sometimes we don't know what the products are gonna look like. So let's go ahead and start opening. Let's start with number one. I do appreciate that every single thing comes like perfectly packaged and also with something to prevent it from falling out or making a mess. Okay, number one is an intense hydrating mask. This is the Moroccan Oil Intense Hydrating Hair Mask, and it's for medium to thick dry hair. My hair is dry, so I'm definitely going to be using this. Am I going to get makeup out of this? I don't know. Number two, we have Iconic London Prep Set Glow, and this is their glowy setting spray. Definitely going to be something hydrating that you can use to... I also did not put moisturizer on my skin today, so let me go ahead and moisturize. I've been using the Haru Haru Wonder Black Rice 5 Ceramide Barrier Cream, and like it is almost done. I already bought the backups. This was sent to me in BR, and the fact that I finished it says a lot. I've also finished the retinol that comes with it. I will do an empties for you guys, but I haven't moisturize. I brought this down here to show you, but I still haven't filmed that video, and it's coming. Okay, let's see what we can do with this. I do want to look glowy, so definitely refreshing. What scent is this? I feel like every refreshing scent just reminds me of cucumber, but it's very refreshing. I like it. I like the scent. Now the question is, am I gonna love the glow that I get from this? We'll see. Once it dries down, we'll see. We have number three, Salt and Stone Body Lotion. It's from Saffron and Cedar. It's not very thick, but it looks like it's absorbing very easily into the skin. Also not very oily. It doesn't have a scent. It's a very hydrating body lotion, and it's also like a travel size. This is what it did to my skin. It's hydrating but not oily. So if you're somebody who doesn't like the oily look of certain body lotions or hand lotions, you might maybe try this one out. I will be using this one as hand lotion in a purse because of the size of it, or I might just travel with it. Number four, Dr. Barbara Strom Face Cream. I don't know anything about this brand, but this is supposed to be a face cream, and that's literally all this is. Okay, number five is feeling kind of heavy. Question is, what's in here? It's like Christmas morning, just opening 25 little packages. Oh, what is this? And it says Korean skin therapy, 17 super ingredients, multi-perfecting night oil. Okay, this is what it looks like. I like a good night oil. I have one on my table from Youth to the People. It has a little bit of a separation to it. So you definitely, okay. And then once you mix it, it gets all cloudy and that's when you use it. So that means it has a little bit of a serum component to it. And it's not just actual plain oil that you're going to be putting on your skin. Yeah. If you look at the little dropper, you can see that it has some water particles in there. I'll just put a drop on the back of my hand. It has a slight fragrance to it, almost like a medicinal, very, very mild scent to it. This is what it looks like, if you can see. I like the packaging though. It's so red and so cute. I like it. Okay, let's see what the claims are. It says, all the power of Iborian skincare, 17 plant extracts combined in a multi-perfecting oil that works while you sleep. It's promised to make you feel confident in your bare skin in just one night. Like, we all know no product works in one night unless you're gonna have a bad reaction to it. Then you're gonna notice it in one night. I don't know if the product could like transform your skin in one night, but you know, we'll find out. It says after the first night, your skin is smooth, intensely nourished, and plump with moisture. Signs of fatigue appear reduced. Your complexion is fresh and radiant. Wrinkles and fine lines appear visibly reduced, and your skin becomes more supple, looks clearer with fewer imperfections, skin texture refined, and your complexion looks more even, and it's lasting radiance. I will be using it obviously because anything skincare, I'm like, let me try it out and see if it works out. For example, if I had never used this Haru Haru Wonder Black Rice line, I wouldn't have known that it was really good. And a lot of you noticed. Hey, number 6 is a very lightweight bottle. Oh, it's a very tiny little product. Who remembers the brand called Jouer? We have Jouer Tinted Hydrating Lip Oil. This is claiming to be a lip oil and I want to try it out. Oh, it has more pigment in it than I would have thought. Number 1. Number 2, it is not something a dark skin girly like me can use by itself, like without makeup, but it will be very cute with a lip liner. Do I have a lip liner on this table? I'm using a powder. I'm using this powder as my lip liner. It is definitely lighter than my skin tone. Okay, let's open number 7. Number 7 is an Hawaii leave-in conditioner. I really think that's how you pronounce this product. I always want to say we, but it's Hawaii. It's a leave-in conditioner. I know a lot of people really love this brand, so I'm excited to try this out. Also, if you like this hair, leave me a thumbs up down below. Number 8 is a small box. We have a Tower 28 lip balm treatment. It's very small. Like, I can't read what's in the back. I need a microscope. I guess I can wipe this off my lips. The Jouer lip oil is hydrating. I really think it's more like a colored lip balm slash lip gloss than it is a lip oil. I think some brands just want to jump onto the lip oil bandwagon and they will call anything a lip oil just to be competitive. Most of the products that are hydrating end up actually being lip balms, not lip oils. This is a lip rescue. It smells like medicine. Also, does my face look very glowy from the setting spray that we used? My skin is very glowy. Oh, I can see the tiny specks of shimmer on there. It's very, very, very subtle. Like, you can barely see it, but it's there. Like, if you're looking for it, you're gonna see it. And if you're not looking for it, you're gonna wonder why this person's skin is looking so glowy and shimmery. So I like it. The shimmer pieces are very, very little in that Iconic London Prep Set and Glow setting spray. It's been 2.5 seconds and my lips feel hydrated. It feels a little bit tingly though. I don't know, I'll keep this on the table just to see if it's a plumping gloss or something like that. This is a Kopari Golden Aura body oil with 24 karat gold and hyaluronic acid. It's so cute. These are travel size products, you know? So if you're like getting ready to jet set and you buy one of these, yeah. Okay, here's the difference in the skin and the body oil. It doesn't have a scent to it. So if you're somebody who doesn't like fragrant body oils, you might maybe check this out. Okay, we have 10, 11, and 12 coming up next. Let's see what number 10 has to offer. And in here we have, ooh, Ooh, this one is good. It has a Pat McGrath Divine Blush in here. This is the shade of it, and I don't know that this will be a dark skin friendly shade, but let's see. Oh, no, maybe not having any makeup on. This is the kind of shade I need. Am I doing makeup? I think I'm gonna do makeup. I mean, what I get from the box, I will use as makeup, but I will just use this blush to cancel out the depth on the under eye so that the blush on the side of the face looks good as well. And then I will intensify the blush on the side of the face. Also try to cancel out this dark spot that's been haunting me for the past few months. Okay, no Pat McGrath. Pat McGrath. It looks good. I generally wouldn't have reached for a shade that looks like this, right? A shade that looks like this is definitely not going to be dark skin approved for me. Like, just looking at it, I would say, oh no, this is not going to look on me because I have dark skin and this doesn't look like it has enough pigment in it. But look at this. It looks really, really good. Definitely using it like an under eye correcting product is also really not a bad look. I'm also gonna put some on this eye because I don't want to just have one under eye looking good and the other under eye is not looking good. We don't want that. Now I just pray I get a mascara in this advent calendar so I can literally finish this look because some blush, a gloss, and mascara, and I will be good, okay? I really like what this looks like. I did not expect this shade to look as good as it looks on my skin tone. I definitely would not have picked up this shade. This is the shade Paradise Venus, and this is the Pat McGrath Divine Blush. Okay, number 11 has a bit of a weight to it. I feel like this could be a perfume. Nope, it's not a perfume. This is called Lemonhead Los Angeles, and this is a illuminating glitter concentrate. Let me spread it out just a little bit. I will wipe this off because if not, it's gonna end up in places I don't want it to end up in. This is what it looks like. Oh my god! Look at it blended out. Oh, look. Okay, I like this. I would definitely put this all over my body. Put it in some lotion. Ooh, it would be so cute. Okay, number 12. I was disappointed. I mean, number 11 disappointed me in that it wasn't a fragrance, but also did not disappoint because of what it's looking like. In the sun, it would be absolutely stunning. Okay, this is a comb. This is a comb. This is what it looks like. It is cute. I don't know that I can comb my hair with this. Number 13 is a fragrance. While somebody's talking and disturbing our video, I should have known. This is the Color Wow Money Mist. It's supposed to be a luxe leave-in lightweight conditioner for glossy, expensive looking hair. I don't know, maybe I can spray it on this or maybe I'll just use it when my hair is down, but I like Color Wow products, so hopefully this one looks good. And hopefully it doesn't leave my hair oily or greasy, so if you've used this before, let me know down below. Number 14. I don't know what's in here. Looks like another trial size product. Hey, we have a Tarte mascara. We do like the Tarte Tube mascara. It's like the one Tarte product I have actually tried. I said I wanted a mascara, so I got a mascara. It's a tiny little mascara. Number 15, give us a mascara, and the lashes are looking good. Okay, I almost look like I have a full face of makeup on and literally did nothing with the base to get here. Okay, let's do number 16. Probably another trial size product. Okay, it's a Laura Mercier eyeshadow pencil. Okay, it has shimmer in it and you can definitely blend it in with a brush. It's given effortless, but tried. It's not a bad pencil, okay? Okay, let's do number 17. And it has some weight to it. I'm still hoping for a fragrance. I hope I get a fragrance or a candle in one of these boxes. Number 15, give us the Super Goop Unseen Sunscreen with SPF 50+++. Oh, it's the clear one. You just give it a few minutes to absorb in and you're good to go. Okay, this is number 17 and my dreams and hopes have been dashed because it is not a perfume. This is the Oribe Super Shine Moisturizing Cream. Can I put any more creams on? Okay, I guess we'll put it on the right hand because the left hand is tapped out on the swatches. Very creamy. Okay, the design on the cover is very luxe. It has a beautiful smell. It's subtle but still very nice. This is what it looks like on. Still feels like water. It reminds me of the Tatcha water cream. My hands are going to be so hydrated. Like at the end of this, I will have hydrated hands, and that is definitely not a bad thing. Okay, let's do number 18, and I don't think this is a perfume because it doesn't feel like it, but watch this be a perfume. Lash Babe Essential Lash Serum. It's supposed to be one of the products that you put on the top of your lashes to grow them out. Ooh, Dr. Dennis Gross. Okay, this one I love. This one I have 3 boxes of and I use it. This is the Alpha Beta Universal Daily Peel. It's a 2-step peel with 5 AHAs and BHAs to help smooth fine lines, minimize the look of pores, improve the appearance of textures and uneven texture. 2-step. Step 1, the product. Step 2, the neutralizer. Once I have used step 1 and not wiped it off because I wanted to get that gorgeous peel as quickly as possible. I like this product. Number 20 is it's a tiny little cream. It's an elastin cream. Also that Tower 28 is still hydrating on the lips. Number 21 has a hefty feel to it. Still hoping for a fragrance. I don't know why. I just have fragrance in my head and I'm just hoping for one. For Tuna Skin, it's a biphase moisturizing oil and I just shook it so you can see the water the liquid particles in there. Number 22, and I still haven't gotten my fragrance or my candle and I'm pretty sad about it. This is the Ila Limitless Lash Mascara. It says lift, lengthen, and curl. It has shea butter and arginine in here. I do already have mascara on, but you can always stack mascaras, so we're gonna stack this mascara and see what we get out of it. Number 23, I have given up hope of a perfume at this point. Olaplex Bonding Oil. If you know me, you know I love Olaplex, and the Bonding Oil is definitely something I put in my hair before I apply heat because the bonding oil is also a heat protectant. Okay, number 24. It's the Summer Fridays Jet Lag Skin Smoothing Hydrating Mist, and I am about to use that on my face to help blend in the powders, even though I don't really think that I need to blend it in. And they're also one of the first brands to have sent me PR. I'll definitely keep this in my travel bag. It says refresh your skincare routine with a dose of dewy hydration, protective moisture barrier support, and leave skin glowy and moisturized. Last but not least, doesn't feel heavy enough to be fragrance, and I'm kind of sad about it. This is a towel of some sort, one size herringbone socks. My feet are actually very cold right now and I was hoping for a candle, but I guess I got what I needed and not what I wanted. These are socks. Oh, these are cute. Especially if you're opening this from like 1st of December to 25th of December. And this is the last thing that you open on Christmas Day. Absolutely stunning. You can put it on and then proceed to opening your big gifts. I'm about to put it on right now. I put all the boxes back. I mean, granted, not perfectly, but I put all the boxes back. This is the makeup look I was able to create by opening up the Revolve Beauty 25 days of Revolve Beauty. I was expecting everything in there to be makeup related, which is not a bad thing, especially if you're as dark as me and you want to buy this advent calendar. You're not going to get products that are too bright for you to use on your skin tone. Any makeup product I got, I used and it looks very, very good. Let me know down below if you tried any of the products that I showed today, and also let me know what you think about this makeup look that I was able to create with the advent calendar. Okay, I look presentable, I look put together, but I also look like I'm not trying too hard, and I'm here for it. Okay, I will link both advent calendars somewhere down here, so if you tap it, it's going to take you directly to the site. You can shop from it. The link is affiliate, so if you use it, you're going to be supporting your girl and you get like very gorgeous products. Thank you so much for watching. Love you lots, and I'll see you in my next video.